How to archive Messenger chat on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app in your Android. Now you have to open the Messenger app in your Android. We are going to archive the chat of the person on Messenger. Just you have to click on or push the chat of the person. You can see here there are different options. Before archiving the chat of the person, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on the archive option. You can see your chat will be archived on your Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.